Bangaphezu kuka 16,000 abantu abangenawo amakhaya eThekwini.
Since in 2019, I've been staying on the street, but lately last year, so I got here inside and then they told me to come and volunteer. Even now I'm still volunteering.
uThabang ungomunye babantu ababungaze uKhisimusi eDenis Hurley Centre.
It's the first Christmas ever that I ever had in my life, so I'm grateful to be here at the Denis Hurley Centre with the homeless, and I'm also homeless.
Lesi sikhungo siqanjwe ngegama likaMbhishobhi uHurley nobaziwa kakhulu ngegalelo lakhe lokuthuthukisa umphakathi.
The Denis Hurley Centre was built to serve the people of Durban, those who are neglected, giving joy to those who are called names, called homeless. So that's why the centre was built, to serve the needy.
Sincike kakhulu ebantwini abanikelayo ukuze sikwazi ukunakekela abaswele unyaka wonke.
Just for us to come and volunteer just brings joy also into our hearts, and to not take things for granted, just to give back with all the blessings and love from the Lord that he does for everyone.
Isikhungo iDenis Hurley Centre siqhuquzele abantu ukuthi banikele kunoma yiphi inhlangano unyaka wonke.